our position has been supported by the two judgments of the court thus far. If you want to demonstrate that measures are reasonably justified in a free and democratic society, then you must be able to craft legislation that doesn't suspend the rights of 3 million people in order to go at 300 people. We believe that there can be much more targeted legislation. In fact, the leader of the opposition has developed a framework for it. He has discussed it with the Commissioner and the Minister of National Security, and I believe he will shortly make it public, because we don't want it to be said that we're not about solutions. We are about solutions. And we are about saving lives.